This is a very standard first example of L'Hopital's rule. And the first thing we want to do is plug in the x equals 0. And when we plug in, we see that we do get a 0 over 0 indeterminate form. So the way we want to write this, we don't want to write this equals 0 over 0 because 0 over 0 is not a number, right? We can't have this number on the left equaling this, this form on the right. So what we typically want to do is just notice that it's a 0 over 0 and write equals, and we can say 0 over 0 allows us to do this equals, indicating that we're using L'Hopital's rule, or maybe we would write, we're going to use L'Hopital's rule. And L'Hopital's rule says we'll take the derivative of the numerator, so the derivative of sine of x is cosine of x, and the derivative of the denominator, the derivative of x is 1, and the limit on the left is equal to the limit on the right, and the limit on the right is a limit that we can compute by plugging in. It's no longer an indeterminate form if we plug in x equals 0. So now that we've done L'Hopital's rule once, we're able to plug in and get cosine of 0 is 1 over 1. We get a limit of 1, and that is the answer. This is a limit that we've computed via table or plot in a previous activity, but now we can do it very easily with L'Hopital's rule.